Alright guys, this is High Rev 92, back with you with another common problem with Fords. We got the Ford Escape here. It's a 2002, but the customer had a problem with the door handles not working on any of the passenger doors. Mainly just the driver door worked. And after I got to this point, I figured it's because they don't get used that often. But if your exterior door handles aren't working and your interior door handles aren't working, mainly to get to this video, you're going to have flopping outer door handles. And that's due to the fact that little lever up there, after some time, will seize up. You know, it's pot metal with a pin running through it, so it's going to get some sort of corrosion if it doesn't get used. And what happens is it freezes like that, making your door handle seem like it's broken when it's not. So mainly what you're going to do is spray a bunch of penetrating oil of your choice. I use what we call weasel piss here. House lubricator, whatever. It works pretty good, it smells alright. And you're going to want to just work this. Pull the door handle. Because see, it's sticking in the open position will prevent your interior door handle from working as well. So eventually you can work this free enough to where the slam of the door will knock it back into place, and over the course of time it will loosen back up. I did some internet scouring and I've never found a video like this. The door panel will come off enough for you to get your hand in there and push this back up with the door closed, so you can actually open it and get the panel off and do this the right way. But yeah, hope it helps.